Welcome back. Before I start this lesson, I want to thank everybody for the support you're giving me. You're giving me a great push to go forward. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and let's start. So the strumming pattern for this one is down, 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 down. We will make a very cool move here to hammer on the third string, second fret. We're playing an A minor. So we're going to hammer. So on the second time we go down, up. When we're going down, we hammer on the second fret, third string. We're using here pretty much basic chords: A minor, G, and D. If you don't know how to play those, here's the link, so let's start. As soon as you're born, they make you feel small. I given you no time instead of it all. Till your pain is so big you feel nothing at all. A working class hero is something to be. A working class hero is something to be. They hurt you at home and they hit you at school. They hate you if you're clever and they despise a fool. Working class hero is something